Hello English learners. Welcome to the English Engineer. Today we are going to learn how to use the word lend and borrow properly. Subscribe, give us thumbs up, and press the bell to receive notifications when we upload new videos. Lend and borrow are verbs. However, English learners have some struggles when they use them. Lend. Lend means to give something to someone to be used for a period of time, and then returned. The person lending something owns it, and is letting someone else use it. Borrow. Therefore, borrow means to take and use something that belongs to someone else for a period of time and then return it. The person borrowing something does not own it, and will give it back when they are done using it. Examples using lend. Will you lend me your car? I can lend you my boots. Lend your brother your bike for the day. Examples using borrow. May I borrow your pen? I borrowed his hat because I forgot mine. Teacher James let the students borrow his pens and pencils. Remember, use lend when you give something to someone, and use borrow when you get something from someone. That's everything for today, guys. Remember to practice your English every day, and you will enhance your English. Thanks for watching us and see you next time.